Welcome to the Trial Site News Roundup. On today's episode, we will be discussing an FDA letter which signals that the feds may be coming after doctors and pharmacies that market ivermectin as safe and effective for the treatment of COVID-19. However, first, before we get into the story, I need to make a small house cleaning announcement here for you all. For those who have asked in the comment sections of our videos and or messaged us at trialsitenews.com, inquiring about why you haven't seen as much of me as often lately, first off, let me say thank you so much for your concerns and well wishes. I'm honored that you guys missed me when I haven't hosted any videos these past number of weeks. The concerns and feedback from you guys I deeply appreciate. Rest assured, if you do not see me hosting any videos on this channel, I am still behind the scenes editing and producing almost every video you see on this channel. I do most of the post-production here, as well as hosting the news roundup. So not to worry, I haven't gone anywhere. And to address the question of where is Adrian, just so everyone is aware, the reason why you haven't seen as much of me these past number of weeks is that Trial Site News on YouTube got hit with a bit of censorship. And although we've reached out to YouTube and were able to restore most of the videos taken down, some, however, were not returned and the channel did receive some strikes for it. Now, YouTube hasn't yet been clear on what caused the strikes in the first place, and we of course have reached out asking for clarifications of why. Now, we of course respect YouTube's right as a platform to decide what content they allow, and we have always striven to remain within their guidelines while still reporting on important medical news. And so, recognizing that some content may not be safe for this platform, we have shifted a few of our video series over to other platforms like Rumble.com, which we will provide a link to in the description below. Now, as for the News Roundup series, now that one of the strikes has expired, I will go back to posting my videos here as we will continue to do our utmost to remain within the confines and boundaries of this platform. So once again, thank you to everyone who has inquired about my absence. I can't explain to you how much I appreciate all the concerns and the questions and the well wishes. You guys are incredible and it felt nice to be missed. So I just wanted to take this moment to address it and let you guys know what was happening with the channel, and that, hey, even if you don't see me in front of the camera itself, I'm still doing most of the post-production for virtually every video you see on this platform and others at trialsitenews.com. And all that being said, from Trial Site News, I am Adrian, and our episode is starting now. So recently, the FDA acting chief branch, Shannon Glueck, wrote a letter to the Federation of State Medical Boards informing them that they have received complaints that the antiparasitic drug was being offered for sale with claims that it could treat or prevent the novel coronavirus. Now, this appears to be a signal that the FDA will start enforcing actions against individuals and groups positioning or making claims that ivermectin is an effective treatment for COVID-19. The letter also highlights that the FDA has neither authorized nor approved any ivermectin drug product for use in preventing or treating COVID-19. Although clinical trials assessing ivermectin tablets for the prevention or treatment of COVID-19 in people are ongoing, currently, however, available data do not show that ivermectin is safe or effective for the prevention of treatment of COVID-19. Referring to some of its previous announcements declaring that the drug is a risk for side effects, the FDA cautions the board involved with representing the 71 state medical and osteopathic boards in America and its territories, as well as co-sponsors of the United States Medical Licensing Examination, declaring that the drug is not authorized or approved or proven as safe or effective for COVID-19. The federal regulator also sent this warning letter to the National Association of Boards of Pharmacy to help facilitate communications among associations with shared goals regarding these matters. This effort suggests an escalated effort by the regulatory agency to identify, investigate, and potentially punish groups, whether they be physicians or pharmacies, involved with making any marketing claims associated with ivermectin and COVID-19. Now, Sonia Elijah of Trial Site News has also reported how the FDA appeared directly involved in a proactive social marketing campaign attempting to conflate both the human and animal variety of the antiparasitic drug, as well as a general overall blanket warning of possible harm. Now, to be clear, physicians and pharmacies should never directly market that the drug is an approved or effective treatment for COVID-19. To do so is putting yourself at risk, as the FDA has now put licensing boards on notice. Now, for those of you interested in reading the letter from the FDA to the Federation of State Medical Boards, we will provide a link in the description below. And that, my friends, brings our episode to a close once more. As always, thank you so much for joining me on the program today. From Trial Site News, I'm Adrian, and I'll see you all next time.